how are you doing? I hope you all are doing okay and you all are keeping safe in this cold weather that is going on in Nairobi. Myself, I'm doing great. I thank God. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my good name is Kinoo, and thank you for clicking on this video, and I hope you do consider subscribing and liking and leaving me a comment on the comment section. Introduce yourself there. I will appreciate. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you coming back to view more of my content, and I hope that you like this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and leave me a comment on the comment section. If you don't have anything to say, you can just send me a heart on the comment section. That would be good. So this is house hunting video. I accompanied my friend to house hunt for her apartment, and we came across these houses that I'm going to showcase here, and I thought I upload them for you guys after much consideration. And here we go. So let me know in the comment section what you think about the video, and if you have any input or suggestion, kindly let me know on the comment section. I will really appreciate your input. Without much further ado, enjoy the video, and yeah, engage and interact with it, and I will be appreciate. Enjoy. Bye. So guys, for this first house that you are seeing here, it is a 3-bedroom apartment, master and suite apartment located in Kinoo. It has 3 bedrooms, a kitchen, a living room, a toilet and bathroom in the master bedroom, and also a separate bathroom and what is it called, a toilet area now that is common, the common washroom for the other people in the house and the guests. It also had a washing laundry area, and yeah, a kitchen that I thought was a little bit too small, but not that small. I don't want to explain much, I just want you to be self-explanatory. So just watch through the video and you are going to see everything. I just thought I tell you part of that introduction. there we go, yet another bedsitter unit for, was it 6,000? No, this is actually a one bedroom. Yeah, I've remembered it was a one bedroom unit, and it was going for 11,500. Again, I did not like it. It was so old school, and so much was going on in this place, to be honest, from the ceiling to the tiles to the toilet. I mean, I didn't like it one bit. My friend didn't like it as well, but yeah, I just filmed it. But it was affordable, but for the price, I mean, for the condition, that's not even affordable to me. The condition of the house is actually very bad. You can see the ceiling sorry, I lost count, but yeah, this is another unit that we came across. It was a bed sitter unit that again I did not like one bit, because okay, whew, so poor. I mean, it was poorly planned. The toilet was old school, but anyway, since we viewed it, I just filmed it. But it was a nay. We left here as quick as we could, because we were like,